Northeast Entrepreneurship Machinery Innovation and Exhibition Event Arhajar Arpulai kelas dang bat pli pajba negasngi karpau terik unailur Arhajar Arpulai ya kani ke exhibition lawan ban pli pajba dau menteri rang ba ka jylla Conrad sangma ha ka jingdon lang jong i kong isawanda lalu u gunanka DB IFS Project Director Planning Department ban member Secretary Jongka State Council naga pendaka Science and Technology Environment. Habakran hakani kesngi nagaliang ukurat sangma ulapan pau ya kejeng ngokmen ban yoi bagani ke exhibition kalaya khmat. Ula ongro baka jalame kalaya kalayang khmat habai dei bat ka startup bat ke entrepreneurship ecosystem. Lada yanujor bat ki wei ki jylla ki barit ha kari.
That without entrepreneurship in the private sector and the people being part of an economic policy of the government, we will never be able to succeed in achieving the economic goals that we have. Now, Meghalaya has roughly about 60 to 70,000 youths who enter the workforce every year. Every year. And that number will go up to about 90,000 to 1 lakh youths entering the workforce every year in the next 5 to 10 years' time. And hence there is a huge requirement for economic growth, especially from the private sector, to take place in order for us to be able to achieve or be able to provide the employment opportunities to our youth and be able to make them gainfully employable and positively employable.
The Northeast Entrepreneurship Machinery and Innovation Exhibition, which we are calling NIMI, is part of exercise of the government of Meghalaya to really promote the entrepreneurship culture and the entrepreneurship ecosystem in our state. And through this program, we are actually connecting different machinery manufacturers and different innovators to the local entrepreneurs and farmers, so that they are able to have access to the different technologies that are available today in the market to make simple products. For example, packaging units, for example, water testing or salt testing equipments, machines that will help them produce things like napkins or chow meins or even bakery products. These are very, very small machines which can be of great use to rural entrepreneurs and to different farmers, and can really help them enhance their overall productivity and increase their overall income. And in the past, our farmers and innovators and entrepreneurs did not have access to such technology, and through this program they will be able to get access. And we hope that we'll be able to do this program more often and more importantly in different parts of the state, and that's really what our objective is. So I wish the NIMI program the very best, and I urge our entrepreneurs be part of this program and be part of the overall entrepreneurship culture and program that we are promoting in our state, so that we can actually take our state forward in the economic sense and really create more jobs out of it. Thank you very much.